Saving for retirement might seem far off in your 20s and 30s, but starting early is essential to secure a comfortable future. Here's a concise guide to help you make the most of these early years. 1. Start now. Leverage compound interest. Time is your biggest advantage when saving for retirement, thanks to compound interest. By starting now, you allow your money to grow significantly over the years. For example, investing just $200 a month at an 8% return can grow to nearly $700,000 in 40 years. Even if it seems small, start investing what you can to take full advantage of compounding growth. 2. Use employer-sponsored retirement plans. If your employer offers a 401k or similar retirement plan, contribute enough to get any available employer match. This match is essentially free money, boosting your retirement savings without extra effort. Even if you can't afford a large contribution, try to contribute at least the minimum required for the match. 3. Open an individual retirement account, IRA. If you don't have access to a 401k, consider opening an IRA. A Roth IRA is often a great option for younger investors, as your contributions grow tax-free, and withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. Traditional IRAs offer immediate tax savings, but you'll pay taxes on withdrawals. Choose the account that best fits your long-term tax strategy. 4. Set realistic retirement goals. Understanding how much you'll need in retirement is essential for creating a savings strategy. Many experts recommend saving enough to replace 70–80% of your income in retirement. Using a retirement calculator can help you determine how much to save annually to reach your goals. 5. Invest aggressively, but wisely. In your 20s and 30s, you can afford to be more aggressive with your investments since you have a long time horizon. Focus on growth-oriented assets, like stocks, which generally offer higher returns. Many people choose index funds or target date funds, which are diversified and adjust based on your retirement date. 6. Keep lifestyle inflation in check. As your income grows, it's tempting to spend more, but this can prevent you from reaching your savings goals. Adopting a pay yourself first approach helps by setting up automatic contributions to your retirement fund whenever you get a raise. 7. Avoid early withdrawals. Withdrawing from retirement accounts before retirement often incurs penalties and taxes. More importantly, it reduces the amount of money you have growing over time. Keep a separate emergency fund to avoid touching your retirement savings for unexpected expenses. 8. Plan for future healthcare costs. Healthcare can be a significant retirement expense. If you have a high-deductible health plan, consider contributing to a health savings account, HSA, which offers triple tax benefits, tax-deductible contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for medical expenses. 9. Review your plan annually. Your financial situation and goals can change, so it's important to review your retirement plan regularly. Adjust contributions or investment allocations as needed to stay on track toward your goals. 10. Seek professional advice if needed. If your situation is complex, a financial advisor can offer valuable guidance on how to optimize your retirement strategy. Look for a fee-only advisor who specializes in retirement planning for objective advice. Starting to save for retirement early and taking advantage of tax-efficient accounts, employer benefits, and smart investments can set you up for a secure financial future. Remember, it's about consistent effort and smart decisions over time. The earlier you start, the better prepared you'll be for retirement.